the legality.
With frequent movement of trucks carrying coal in Meghalaya, the question has been raised if the illegal coal trade is still going on in the state. Speaking to reporters, Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong claimed that the movement of trucks is legal as they are transporting over 1 lakh metric tons of already extracted coal, which have been auctioned as per court order. He said that very soon the auctioning process will also start for West Khasi Hills and Garo Hills after completion of the process in Jantia Hills. Meanwhile, the Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong said that the government will also soon circulate the inquiry reports into the rice scam and irregularities in the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL to all 60 legislators of the state. Tinsong said that the decision was taken after some of the members had raised the issue during the just concluded autumn session of the State Assembly.
Be it the MEECL report or be it the social welfare report, that we will send it individually to all the MLAs, and that political department will do the needful. The movement of coal trucks here is according to the auction of coal, 50,000, 1 lakh, like that. So, and now again, the process of auctioning will again restart in West Khasi Hills. They have just done it in Jantia Hills, and now in West Khasi Hills, then again in Garo Hills.